traders, and welcome to the Blue Line Metals Edge here for Monday, March 20th. I'm Phillip, Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. Looking at the markets here coming into Monday morning here, it was another historic weekend. It was really a shotgun wedding between two major banks here. UBS had taken over Credit Suisse. Looking at the numbers, it looks like every one share of UBS is going to be absorbed into 22 shares of Credit Suisse. So all the AT1 bondholders, they were wiped out. The AT1 stands for additional tier. When that news came out, that's what sent shockwaves into the market, and everyone rushed into that gold market. That's why you saw gold futures pop up, made a new 52-week high. We got over the $2,000 mark, and if you look here today, the high last night, 2014.90, the low 1970. So it seems like as that news was absorbed into the market, that's when gold futures started to come off. Now we got a new move to the upside here as there was just some fresh data that came out that another bank had come out and they had converted some of the deposits into some assets for the credit holders to hold some of the liabilities against. So right now we're seeing a lot of traders going into basically gold and Bitcoin. So they see no value of any of the holding of their funds in the deposit accounts, and they have a distrust for the banking sector. So looking at other things that are coming out over the week, getting into Forex Factory, one of the websites I like that has a nice layout on the calendar and everything. Wednesday, all eyes are going to be on this, the FOMC statement. Now, if you go into the Fed Watch tool, you've got it right now set at the estimates or the current Fed fund rate is 4.5 to 4.75%. They are expecting a 73% chance of a 25 basis point rate hike. We do see most of the banks across the board all expecting 25 basis points. Only one out there was expecting a cut at 25 basis points. What's interesting though about this Bitcoin chart, if you look at it, is that it's got this same bullish flag pattern as the silver market. So you got that flagpole right here. I outlined this bull flag pattern. We come up on this pole, we've got the consolidation and a breakout to the upside. Same thing right here. You go down to Bitcoin, it's got that same move. So we'll see if silver futures can catch another leg higher here, and then other metals are playing catch up. You've got platinum kind of back and forth, needs to really break out over that 10-15 level. Copper futures I think might be reaching some kind of bottom. I think that will push back up into this consolidation zone, 405 to about 430. I know it's a wide range, but if you start getting rate cuts and talk of quantitative easing, you're going to see copper futures take off to the upside. A couple things that are odd right now, you've got 10-year notes. Those are pulling back here after making a nice run up. Same thing with the bond market, they're pulling back. So you're seeing interest rates are starting to rise back up. Other safe havens like the dollar, it's not getting any love today. It's actually breaking to the downside. So if you have dollar positions on, be sure you trail some stops here and even look at the downside of the market. Again, I'm Phillip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. If you have any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember that futures and option trading does involve risk of loss and it may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.